I got my exhaust on, and while it's up on the lift, I am not going to put my diffuser fins back on, but what I am going to do is I'm going to put this. So that is what it's going to look like on. I think that actually looks really nice. I don't have to worry about it being straight, crooked. So I got my exhaust on, and while it's up on the lift, I am not going to put my diffuser fins back on, but what I am going to do is I'm going to put this. It is an ABS plastic. It is black. It sits really nicely, actually. Very good fitment right about here. So that is what it's going to look like on. I think that actually looks really nice. I don't have to worry about it being straight, crooked, etc. I'm going to bolt / screw that into the plastic piece that goes the panel on the bottom, and it should be pretty easy and ready to go. So while I'm under here doing the install, the outside pieces have the part that goes on the bottom of this plastic, but the middle inside pieces have a lip that go inside, which is kind of nice because it actually grabs onto this, so this isn't going to go flying. The thing that concerns me is the closeness of my exhaust. I think I've got a finger clearance here, so I'm not worried about that. But this one is about to touch, and I'm not about to move my exhaust to accommodate a splitter diffuser business. So I'm gonna just grind this down a little bit right here, as well as right here. I'm gonna just grind that down, just so in case there's vibrations when the engine moves or the exhaust moves, I don't want it to bump and cause problems with the actual rear bumper. And you're not going to see this ground down because it's underneath, and I'm going to try to smooth it out real nicely. I'm then going to do just some screws. It comes with a pack of these silver screws. I'm not a fan of silver screws, so I bought a bunch of these at your local hardware store. These are number 10 3/4 inch. These are nice. These are screw-in. These literally should just zip zip zip. 1 2. I'm gonna figure out how to mark holes for this here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it through the top into here, but I'll figure that out and get that drilled in. First, I'm gonna grind out this little area here and get it. It is really good. I pre-drilled into this plastic piece here, and then put these screws in. These, I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure how they're supposed to be drilled through the top, but if I ever have to take this off, I want it to be easy. So again, I pre-drilled tooth holes through this and this, got them into, I don't know if you can see that. I pre-drilled the 2 holes into here, 2 drills into here, screwed them in. I mean, this thing is secure. This is not going anywhere. I don't know if you can see, but that's, sorry, it's hard to hold the camera. I dremeled that out to make it smooth here, so if there's any movement, it's not going to hit this. It looks really clean. The look of it from the back, the fitment is excellent. That is going absolutely nowhere. It's totally straight. It looks really, really good. I'm very pleased with that. I'm going to get the wheels back on this, the tow hook, and fire this bad boy up, but that looks really good. All right, so that's what the new diffuser looks like. I think it looks awesome. And because of my fabulous AWE, I had to Dremel out or sand out a little bit of the parts here so that the exhaust had room to clear. It's perfect. I love it. That's the new diffuser. Got this on eBay. It's pretty awesome. I actually like it better than the fins, and it stays straight and perfect. And it's attached with 4 screws on the bottom. I don't know if you can see them there. And that way it's really easy to take off. I didn't have to use any, even any 3M. That thing is rock solid. That ain't going anywhere. Like, share, subscribe.